The Maserati GT2 Stradale is a unique super sports car that bridges the gap between the racing track and the open road, offering unmatched performance and versatility. This high-performance vehicle is designed to excel on various track surfaces, thanks to its exceptional handling and aerodynamic downforce of 110 pounds, which has been finely tuned by engineers. The focus on reducing weight has further enhanced the car's performance capabilities. Despite its track-focused design, the GT2 Stradale is also well-suited for everyday use. With features like front lift for navigating rough roads and a spacious 3.5 cubic feet boot, this car is practical and comfortable for daily driving. Additionally, advanced driver assistance systems make city driving a breeze, with cameras and parking sensors ensuring a smooth and safe experience. Limited to just 914 units, each GT2 Stradale bears a special badge indicating its exclusivity and connection to Maserati's racing heritage. The 1 of 914 lettering pays tribute to the brand's founding year of 1914, highlighting the car's unique place in automotive history. The Maserati GT2 Stradale is powered by the most potent version of the V6 Nettuno engine ever seen in a road-legal vehicle. With fine-tuned electronics and exhaust enhancements, the output has been boosted to an impressive 631 horsepower, making it the most powerful Maserati with an internal combustion engine that can be driven off the track. This engine represents a significant advancement in Maserati's technological evolution, which began with the introduction of the Nettuno engine in the MC20, along with the innovative Maserati twin combustion system. The Nettuno engine in the GT2 Stradale is a masterpiece of engineering, designed and built entirely in-house by Maserati. This made-in-Modena marvel features a 90-degree V-shaped six-cylinder twin-turbo layout, 3 liters of displacement, and a dry sump, producing an impressive 631 horsepower and 531 pound-feet of torque. The heart of this engine is the revolutionary pre-chamber combustion system, incorporating twin spark plugs, a technology originally developed for Formula One and now integrated into the GT2 Stradale. This system consists of a pre-chamber positioned between the central spark plug and the traditional combustion chamber, a side spark plug for additional combustion support, and a dual injection system for optimal fuel and air mixture. The turbochargers and exhaust manifolds have been modified to increase boost pressure and efficiency at peak power, while reducing back pressure through a redesigned exhaust system. These enhancements ensure consistent performance on any track, anywhere in the world. The design of the GT2 Stradale has been meticulously thought out, with every component serving a specific purpose to enhance aerodynamics and overall performance. Created at the Maserati Centro Stile, the design team focused on maintaining the sporty spirit of the GT2 while making necessary changes for road approval. The front features a new design that not only looks stunning, but also improves cooling and aerodynamics. The broadened front mouth allows for increased airflow, while the redesigned bonnet helps with load balancing and hot air expulsion. The iconic trident emblem and number 3 are recurring elements in the design, adding a touch of Maserati's heritage to the modern look. Moving to the rear of the vehicle, the GT2 Stradale boasts a redesigned carbon fiber spoiler and a new rear wing with adjustable aerodynamic settings. The rear extractor has been revamped to enhance downforce and overall performance, while the visible rear wheels add a touch of aggression to the vehicle's appearance. The Maserati GT2 Stradale's interior is a blend of high-performance racing elements and luxurious materials, creating a purposeful and driver-oriented space. The cabin has been redesigned to reduce weight and enhance performance, with a focus on the driver's experience. The dark environment with matte finishes and Alcantara upholstery minimizes reflections and distractions while driving. The central tunnel has been made lighter, with ergonomic controls positioned for easy access. The spider trim on the central cabinet features carbon fiber elements painted in standard black. With a section in carbon, look for a racing-inspired aesthetic. The interior features anti-glare Alcantara upholstery with contrasting blue stitching, highlighting the carbon fiber monocoque. The door handles are marked with yellow pull lettering, adding to the race car cockpit feel. The standout feature of the interior is the new aesthetic double shell seats in carbon fiber with foam ends upholstered in blue Electrico Alcantara, designed in collaboration with Sabolt. These seats offer a lower driving position, enhancing the car's racing character and providing a secure feel behind the wheel. The steering wheel, an evolution of the MC20 design, features essential buttons and switches, including start and launch control buttons. Paddle shifters in carbon fiber are available as an optional extra. The steering wheel also includes shift lights to indicate the ideal moment to change gear, enhancing the driving experience. Infotainment has become a crucial aspect of modern vehicles, offering a seamless blend of information and entertainment for drivers and passengers alike. One of the latest examples of cutting-edge infotainment technology can be found in the GT2 Stradale from Maserati, which is equipped with the Maserati Intelligent Assistant multimedia system. The Maserati Intelligent Assistant system utilizes the Android Automotive Operating System, providing high processing speed and smooth screen navigation. One of the standout features of the system is its customization options, allowing users to tailor the display to their preferences. Additionally, Maserati Intelligent Assistant offers Apple and Android mirroring, over-the-air map updates, and the option to activate Amazon Alexa or a Wi-Fi hotspot. The GT2 Stradale features two in-car screens powered by the Maserati Intelligent Assistant system, a 10.25-inch digital cluster and a 10.25-inch central display. The digital cluster boasts a sleek black panel design with a chemically reinforced glass cover that is anti-reflective and anti-glare. The central display, with HD resolution and touchscreen functionality, is coated with a special anti-reflective finish for optimal visibility even in direct sunlight. The performance pages feature of the Maserati Intelligent Assistant system is sure to impress GT2 Stradale owners, providing detailed technical information on the car's performance. From engine data and consumption history to torque management and drag race timers, the performance pages offer valuable insights for both track enthusiasts and everyday drivers. The Maserati Connect program ensures that the GT2 Stradale is always connected, allowing drivers to monitor the car's condition and receive alerts for service reminders. The MyCar app, developed specifically for the MC20 family, offers convenient access to vehicle information and settings, even from a smartphone or smartwatch. To complement the advanced technology of the GT2 Stradale, Maserati has partnered with Sonos Faber to deliver a superior audio experience. The optional 12-speaker high-premium sound system with surround sound and a powerful amplifier immerses passengers in rich, high-quality sound that enhances the driving experience. From a technical standpoint, the chassis configuration of the GT2 Stradale has undergone a significant revision, resulting in a more rigid and responsive driving experience. This, combined with enhancements to the electronic limited slip differential, electronic controls, and specific drive mode setups, has optimized grip for the semi-slick tires and aerodynamic downforce, making track use even more exhilarating. The drive mode selector, prominently featured on the central tunnel, serves as a distinctive reminder to both the driver and passenger of the Maserati pedigree. In its latest digital iteration, inspired by luxury watches, the drive mode selector exudes precision and sophistication with high-quality materials and Maserati's signature blue hue. The GT2 Stradale boasts 4 distinct drive modes: Wet, GT, Sport, and Corsa. Additionally, there are 4 additional variants available with the Performance Pack, gradually reducing electronic controls for a more dynamic driving experience. The drive modes are easily selected using the dedicated selector, featuring a metal frame surrounding a circular 1.6-inch TFT screen on the new central tunnel, positioned for convenient access. Switching between modes is as simple as turning the selector for a few seconds, with each mode offering unique performance characteristics tailored to the driving conditions. For example, transitioning from GT to Sport or Wet mode requires just a quick movement of the selector to the desired setting. Alternatively, Selecting Corsa mode involves a longer press of the selector, ensuring deliberate engagement to access the full potential of the vehicle's capabilities. The parameters adjusted by the various drive modes play a crucial role in ensuring the optimal performance and safety of a vehicle. One of the key systems that is affected by these adjustments is the Maserati Stability Program. This advanced electronic stability control system is designed to intervene quickly and effectively in order to reduce engine torque and activate the brakes if the vehicle starts to deviate from its intended path or if a skid is detected. The Maserati Stability Program system operates in a matter of milliseconds, making it a vital component in maintaining control and stability in challenging driving conditions. Another important system that is influenced by the drive modes is the traction control system. Working in conjunction with the ESC system, traction control system automatically adjusts the power transmitted by the engine in response to skidding, loss of grip on wet surfaces, or acceleration on slippery, snowy, or icy roads. By activating various control systems in different slippage scenarios, traction control system helps to optimize traction and prevent wheel slippage, ensuring a safer and more controlled driving experience. The electronic limited slip differential is yet another critical component that is impacted by the drive modes. This system is specifically designed to limit slippage of the inside wheel during acceleration out of corners and to stabilize the rear axle during braking. By interacting with other systems such as ESC, ABS, dual clutch gearbox, and suspension damping control, the electronic limited slip differential helps to improve traction, stability, and maneuverability, particularly when navigating sharp turns or challenging road conditions. Lastly, the ABS is an essential feature that is enhanced by the adjustments made in the various drive modes. ABS helps to maintain vehicle stability and improve braking performance by preventing the wheels from locking up during hard braking. Additionally, the electronic brake force distribution system ensures that braking forces are evenly distributed between the front and rear wheels, optimizing braking efficiency and control. Suspension plays a crucial role in determining a vehicle's handling and overall performance. In the case of the MC20 GT2 Stradale, the suspension geometry has been fine-tuned for optimal performance on the track. The double triangle arrangement, along with uniball joints, ensures maximum rigidity and responsiveness in the most demanding conditions. The steering system has been specially calibrated for racing, providing precise control and feedback to the driver. Meanwhile, the brake system has been designed to withstand the rigors of track use, with specific ventilated discs, calipers, and pads. An optimized cooling system ensures that the brakes remain effective even under extreme conditions. One unique feature of the MC20 GT2 Stradale is the adjustable suspension system. With the touch of a button, the driver can switch between stiff settings for sporty driving and more comfortable settings for everyday use. This versatility allows for a dynamic driving experience without compromising on comfort. The gearbox of the MC20 GT2 Stradale is an 8-speed, oil-immersed, dual-clutch design, with quick gear changes to enhance the car's sporty character. The braking system, developed in collaboration with Brembo, features larger discs for improved performance and a new cooling system to maintain optimal operating temperatures. The Maserati GT2 Stradale is a remarkable supersports car that offers the best of both worlds: extreme performance on the track and everyday drivability on the road. With its combination of speed, agility, and comfort, this limited edition vehicle is a true masterpiece that embodies the spirit of Maserati's racing legacy.